What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel Ice TV. I'm DJ Smirnoff and today we're diving into something super exciting. The brand new Hisense 65-inch Canvas TV. Let's get into it. Let's start off by unboxing. I picked up this beauty from Best Buy with my own cash. I've been eyeing the Samsung Frame TV for a while, but when I heard about the Hisense Canvas TV dropping this month, I had to snag it. And guess what? I haven't seen many reviews out there, so I decided to take one for the team and give my first impression. Let's start off by unboxing the TV. First off, let's talk about why I chose the Canvas TV. Unlike the Samsung Frame, there's no external box. It comes with a sleek bezel frame, a TV mount, and a remote that looks super cool. Plus, there's no monthly subscription for art. Perfect for displaying art and playing music while I chow down for dinner. Now on a scale from 1 to 5, I'd give this a solid 4. And here's why. When it comes to the pros, it's perfect for showcasing artwork or your personal photos. The sound quality is pretty impressive. And the video quality is decent, especially when it comes to displaying art. As far as the cons are concerned, the blacks aren't as deep as I'd like, but I have to remember that this is not an OLED screen, and the screen can look a little bit washed out. And also another con is it's pretty doggone heavy. It's like 65 pounds, so definitely make sure it's secure on a stud. As far as PS5 or Xbox performance, this TV performs pretty well. Take a look at this footage from my PS5. Alright, I just want to quickly show some features with this TV. To view art, all you have to do is press the art button on the remote and scroll until you find something that you love, and boom, there you go. You can scroll all the way to the left, scroll down, choose some cool animations, and yeah, you can even have a personalized touch. I wish we could upload GIFs or some special animated clips, but who knows, maybe in the future they might add something like that. As far as uploading your personal photos, that's just a breeze. All you have to do is either use the mobile function or the USB. What I do is just download some artwork straight from my phone and then pair it up with the TV. So say you want a $2 million Basquiat in your dining room, or how about a Van Gogh? Boom, you can have it right here in seconds. Overall, the Hisense Canvas TV is fantastic for art viewers. Yes, it has some other features like 4K HDR, and you can stream Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube seamlessly. Normally, I make GTA 5 content and I'm eagerly waiting for GTA 6 to drop, but if you like this type of review, definitely let me know. I can compare a couple of my other TVs like the Sony Bravia 80K, the LG C4, and of course the Canvas TV. Each has their own perks. This TV was about $12.99 plus tax, and I opted for the 2-year protection. Smart move, right? Let me know if that was a smart move in the comments. Anyway, thanks for watching everyone. I super appreciate y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this awesome content. And I will check y'all out later. Take it easy, y'all. Peace.